What is up, guys? It is Suza here, and I'm going to show you how to solve half of your Rubik's Cube. Well, more than half. So today I'm just fix my cube up. Okay, cube's mixed up. Now you're just going to solve the white. So just solve the white, it's pretty easy. And you can only solve the white, so you have to solve the white first. Okay, and I'm going to solve it. This is completely mixed up, so time me. Go. And done. And wait, solve pretty fast. So. Now, if you have one side here, you're gonna make sure it's facing away from me. It's facing me. You just algorithm down, side, down, side, down, side, down, up, turn, there, up. Now you're gonna have all this solved. And if you didn't have one matching side at first, just do that algorithm one more time. Now we're gonna solve this side. So if you have two like me, you're gonna put that on your right side, like that. Okay, put that on your right side. And do this algorithm. Okay, remember. Up. So, down. Okay. Just doing it one time. There we go. Just do that. Okay, sending that over. And now you're gonna have your yellow solved, and you do that algorithm a few times. So you have your yellow solved. So we have this solved, yellow solved, and your whole layer solved. And that is part 1 of how to solve your 2x2 Rubik's Cube. And yeah, So I will make a part 2 on how to solve the rest of the cube, but that's it. So I will see you guys later. Peace. You guys see something? Addie, wanna say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye.